Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller on the Xbox app for PC. First, let's get your controller connected. You can use a standard USB cable for a wired connection, or if you prefer wireless freedom, ensure your PC's Bluetooth is enabled. Windows should then automatically detect your controller and install the necessary basic drivers, getting you ready for the next step in just a few moments. It's a straightforward process to begin your gaming experience. Now, to make your PS4 controller truly compatible with the Xbox app, you'll need a special piece of software called DS4 Windows. This clever application acts as an emulator, tricking your PC into thinking your PS4 controller is actually an Xbox 360 controller. Head over to its official website to download the latest version, then simply extract the files to a convenient folder on your computer. This step is crucial for seamless gameplay. Once you have DS4 Windows downloaded, launch the application. It will guide you through a quick setup wizard to install any additional drivers needed for optimal performance. Make sure your PS4 controller is connected and visible within the DS4 Windows interface. You can then create a new profile or select a default one, ensuring that the Xbox 360 controller emulation is actively enabled. This customization ensures your controls are perfectly mapped. With DS4 Windows running smoothly in the background, you are now ready to open the Xbox app on your PC. Your PS4 controller should be instantly recognized as an Xbox 360 controller, thanks to the emulation. You can now dive into your favorite games available on the Xbox app, enjoying full controller support and a familiar gaming experience. It's a simple and effective way to expand your PC gaming options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.